makes you feel fresh. Ugh. Hi, darlings. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Geneva, and this is my channel, Letters by Geneva. Today, I want to show y'all the juice that has not only helped me in the supporting of my weight loss journey, but has also helped me keep the weight off since I started drinking this juice. Last year, I was at my heaviest weight of 186 pounds, and this year, I am sitting at 157 pounds. So that is 30 pounds of weight loss that I have not only lost, but I have kept the weight off. Hallelujah. I still have some, numbers to drop, but I'm very happy with my results. So let's get started. All right, darling. So the very first thing I do before I get started juicing is I take my time to thoroughly wash my produce. This is actually a very important step in the juicing process. The ingredients we'll be using for this juice will be ginger, lemon, cucumber, and pineapple. Now, I have a couple of reasons of why I do wash and wash thoroughly before I begin juicing. The first reason is because whenever you are cutting into the fruit, even if you're not going to use the outside, if you do not wash the fruit, the dirt from the outside of the produce will get to the inside, which you are consuming. So that's the first reason. The second reason I also wash the produce is because this juice, whenever you are drinking juice, it enters directly into your bloodstream. So if you don't wash the fruit, the dirt and bacteria is going directly into your bloodstream. No time for your body to break it down. So I believe that it is very important to thoroughly wash your produce just for the safety of, you. Okay, so while I cut, I would like to tell y'all the benefits of each ingredient inside of this juice. Starting with cucumbers. Cucumbers, according to Google, are an extremely hydrating melon or fruit. I don't know what it is, but it's extremely hydrating, and that's important. According to Google, it is 96% water, which aids in hydration. Cucumbers are also highly rich in vitamins A, C, and K that all provide antioxidant protection. Cucumbers in your juice also aid in helping you feel full, and they curb sugary cravings. Our next ingredient in this juice is lemons. Lemons are a very good source of vitamin C. That's why often it is good to put lemon juice on top of your vegetables when you are eating them, especially for those who have anemia, because it aids in the absorption of iron. It has also been known that eating or consuming citric fruits is beneficial for your heart health because it helps prevent you from having clogged arteries. Our next ingredient, ginger, has so many benefits. I love eating ginger and drinking ginger. Ginger has a very, very high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds within it that really help in keeping that tummy flat, honey. Ginger has also been known to help soothe your digestion, keep you full longer, clear out your gastric and your colon, and reduce inflammation. Drinking straight not lemon juice, ginger juice, or just ginger in your juice has also been very helpful with aiding in heart health, aiding in immune health, and helps regulate your blood sugar. The very last but not least ingredient is pineapples. Pineapples have an active property in them called bromelain. I hope I'm saying that right. That is beneficial because it helps break down proteins within your gut. I love using pineapple because it helps with the discomfort of bloating and constipation that could be within your stomach. That can also give you the look of or the appearance of looking bigger than you are. I also want to give y'all a quick bonus. I am actually not throwing away the rinds of the pineapples. If you can, I want you to go ahead and put those rinds in a pot on the side. Back in the day, I used to throw the outside of the fruit away thinking it's not valuable, but there is still a lot of nutrition in those rinds. So let's go ahead and use that. I'm going to show y'all a tea later. Guys, so this is the juicer that I use. I use the Nama J2 juicer, cold press juicer. I absolutely love it. It does exactly what I need it to do, and it's hands off and it cleans very well. So let's get started. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just telling y'all that I really like this juicer. All that juice, and it's very good with collecting all the juice. As you can see, it's pretty dry when it comes out, so I really like it for that as well. Yummy. Look how rich and pretty the green is. Out of the cucumbers. Like I said, cucumbers are a lot of water, so that's mainly what's in here. I'm gonna pour this inside of the pineapple juice. I'm gonna share this moment with y'all because this is my favorite thing to do. The lemon and the ginger, I would have to say, are the true fat burning components. The pineapple juice as well, but the lemon and the ginger are the true burners of this drink. So yeah. Look how pretty the green is. I'm in love. Yes, ma'am. Look at them. And they're gonna be so good. And you're gonna feel so, y'all, make this juice. You're gonna feel so good and glad that you did it. And if you don't have no Nama J2 or cold press juicer, honey, you can use a blender and then strain out the excess with a cheesecloth. You don't have to have a cold press juicer to do this. This is possible. So remember I told y'all about the rinds that are left over? The next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and make a tea out of this. There are a lot of vitamins and nutrition within the rinds of the lemon, the rinds of the pineapple, and ginger. But one thing that I do like to add, I do love to add like garlic, cubed garlic, and a little extra ginger. I just go ahead and drop that in there. And the last two things that I like to add now while it's boiling and also after is cinnamon and turmeric. These two are really good. I'm gonna actually look up the reasons why they are really good. But my dad used to make tea with the turmeric and cinnamon, and it's always helped move things throughout my gut. So I make sure to put this in there as well. Okay, so I wasn't recording this whole time. I thought I was, but I actually sprinkled the cinnamon in there and turmeric. I usually would add cayenne as well, but I'm out of cayenne. So we're just gonna go ahead and allow all of this to boil. Let me add the water. So I'm gonna pour the water all over it. And I don't wanna fill it all the way to the top, but I just kind of want to, just about fill up. I want the water to just fill above the fruit, and because I'm gonna add a couple times over while it boils. So let me see. Yeah, so this is good. I'm gonna add a little bit more water, but I just want the water to ever so slightly cover the rinds. So let me add a little more water. And that's it. That's perfect. It doesn't have to be all the way to the top, but just about covering it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cover it. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the heat and I'm gonna put it on medium low. All right, so this is gonna boil for about maybe an hour. I'm just gonna keep my eyes on it, and I'm gonna show y'all the after results. All right, y'all, so it's been just about an hour. We're coming up on it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. We're gonna open it and see. It's looking, ooh, it smells really, really good. But yeah, that is all the goodies in there. And we're gonna go ahead and take this stuff out. Now, I hope you can see okay, so I'm basically just taking the lines out. I'm not gonna kill myself trying to get every last little rind out, but we're gonna try to get the majority of it out. Drain the pot into this. Oh, maybe that wasn't a good idea. Okay, well, we're just gonna have to do it fast. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my gosh, there we go. Oh, it's pouring, isn't it? Yes, it is. Okay, keep going. There we go. There we go. Made a little oopsies, but we did okay. A little hot. And I'm gonna let this cool off a little bit before I pour it in here, just because I don't want to burn myself. I'm scared, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute before I put it in there. This tea is also very soothing with the gut, as your girl for years had a lot of issues with her gut before I finally found some things that worked. And these couple of things are some of the things that work for me that not only aid in weight loss, but I believe gut health. I have a theory that I believe that most, you know, people who are big are not like fat, like they're going to the gym and they're trying to exercise and all of that. I think that a lot of people are just extremely inflamed. I don't think they're like fat. I think they're like inflamed. A lot of people are swollen because the food that we eat is not necessarily healthy in America. And not only that, a lot of it, the oils and stuff, it puffs us out. And on top of being puffy from the bad food, we're also extremely stressed and not regulating ourselves properly. And that's what I believe is the reason why we look inflamed and we look so big. But doing things like juicing, drinking teas that really aid and support and regulating your system, eating fiber-rich food. I would like to add that sometimes in the morning I do add chia seeds within it. I try to find ways to get fiber into my diet as much as possible. A lot of people are ending up with colon cancer because they do not put fiber in their food. Try your best to get fiber in your food. I know this is not a health channel. I would like to say that I am no dietary expert or nutritionist. I'm just a girl who had gut issues for a very long time, went to the doctor, tried everything, and nothing worked until I actually took the time to research and figured out what worked for me. And these things do. So, that is it for this video. I hope y'all take care. I hope that this was very helpful. Y'all comment below what y'all think. Anyhow, I love y'all. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.